Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Glyn Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Glyn Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive size, so we do not recommend this for beginners and it's more for advanced users. As you can see, the Glyn features a realistic ballsack at the base, a veiny thick shaft which is also textured for extra stimulation during use, and features a round swollen head at the top just there. This dildo is suitable for anal and vaginal stimulation and is also suitable for a strap-on as well. The material is soft, smooth and very comfortable to wear during use, and is firm yet flexible as well. It features a strong suction cup at the base, so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation during use as well. When using the Glyn dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Glyn Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.